Bored of plain cucumber? Wait till you taste this. This is the cucumber snack that's taking over the internet. Crunchy, spicy, garlicky, and so addictive. You'll finish it before you even realize it. Grab 2 medium cucumbers, slice them into thick, bite-sized rounds, or smash them lightly with the side of your knife for that rustic crunch. Add half a teaspoon of salt, and let them sit for a minute to draw out the excess water. Now for the real flavor bomb. In a bowl, add 1½ tablespoons of chili oil. Make sure you get all that crunchy garlic from the bottom. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of vinegar, 1 finely chopped garlic clove, and a pinch of sugar to balance the spice. Give it a good stir until it turns into a glossy, fiery dressing. Toss your cucumbers into this sauce and mix well. Make sure every single piece gets coated in that chili oil magic. Top with toasted sesame seeds and a few fresh coriander leaves for that perfect finish. And that's it. Crunchy, spicy, tangy perfection in a bowl. It's the snack you make when you want big flavor but have absolutely no time. This isn't just a cucumber recipe, it's your new stress snack, your Netflix snack, your I deserve something good snack. Make it once, and you'll never look at cucumbers the same way again. Save this, make it, and subscribe, because trust me, your snack game's about to level up.